Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about GoBrunch. GoBrunch is basically an online tool that people can use to schedule meetings, or you can use it to do remote teaching. First you have to sign up for GoBrunch before you start using it. You go to Google search and you type in GoBrunch, and you give an option to sign up with Google or your email and other options. But if you have already signed up like me, just go to GoBrunch. Okay, so Google search and then you type in GoBrunch, and so you wait. So there you go. Because I already have an account with GoBrunch, that's why you see this. But let's just quickly look at a few things. Here you have start a meeting, create your webinar, view your webinar, watch events. And let's go to the menu and see what's there. There's lobby, my page, my account, support, tutorial, GoBrunch for business, about, and so on, if you want to sign up. Let's click on lobby and see what happens. Yes, when you go to lobby, that's basically what you see. You can see start a meeting, which already I explained, and stuff like that. And then let's go to my page and see what is on my page. Just your profile picture, your name, yeah, and basically that. And my account, this is where you find the details when you signed up. And if you want to change your password, you can do that. It's really up to you. You can customize this, and this is just information about who you are and the profession that you are in. And the support GoBrunch is really nice. You give you a support if you have any question regarding GoBrunch. You type it in, send it, and then they will return back to you. And tutorials. GoBrunch has some tutorials that is really useful for, especially for beginners, of those who are just starting to use GoBrunch. Okay, GoBrunch for business. This is if you want to, if you're a business person and you want to customize your account to this platform, you're welcome. And then we have about, what is here? Let's see. Okay, this is basically the information and overview of what GoBrunch is, and how many people probably use when was it used Google, and when was it like established. So basic information about GoBrunch. Okay, let's go to lobby. Right, now we're gonna look at how one can create a webinar on GoBrunch. Click on create your webinar, and you have the name of the webinar. You can call it webinar 1. Oops. Okay. Description, you can say teaching. So yeah, up to you. And here you choose where the webinar is gonna take place. And make sure that you click on the picture. Last time I didn't click on the picture and it didn't allow me to create the webinar. So let's see, which place would I like to? Vancouver. Okay, I'll choose Moscow. And just click here to indicate that that's just a test. Okay, session name, let's say online teaching. Okay, live session or record session, it's up to you. You just have to choose, and then you choose the language. I will choose English. You can choose the language that you are going to use in your webinar, the participant is going to use. And if you want your webinar to be public or private, if you choose private, you're gonna be given like a secret key which you have to send it to the people that are going to attend the webinar. But I would choose public, and you choose the date when the webinar is going to take place. I will say the 23rd of April. And then how long the webinar gonna take, like you select the time the webinar is going to start. I would say from 9 o'clock a.m. okay, to 9:30. So I'll make the meeting just for 30 minutes to begin with, because it's gonna be our first meeting, and just keep it short. Okay, 30 minutes. And then you have an option of choosing how many people are going to attend the webinar. So there's really, like, I think GoBrunch has up to 409 seats. Yeah, there you go. But for the start, I will choose 10 people. All right. And here you have options. This is a breakout session. If, for example, you want people to split up after some time and get into groups. Usually the groups are like 10 people in a group. And record session, if you want to record a session. And this is, I think, GoBrunch will send you an email if they record it, and then you just open the link and see your recording. And add other presenter. If you want to add another person who is going to present, you can write down their names here. But let me just click on record the session. And again, if you want your webinar to be replayed afterwards, like publicly, you can indicate here and show the date that you want it to be replayed. Yeah, and after you do that, you've done completing of that, or you just click on create event. Right, and then we'll ask you, would you like to go to the event now? Yes, I would say I want to go there. Right, here we go. So you're informed that the meeting is going to take place on the 23rd of April from 9 o'clock. Okay, awesome, and they are welcoming you to the meeting. Now here they ask you to choose your seat. I like this really with GoBrunch because you can choose your seat. So I would say I want to sit here. Alright, that's me. So I'm ready. Now we're gonna just quickly briefly check on other features on GoBrunch, and then later we explain how to use those features. Here we do have broadcast, a camera, a mic, screen, and reconnect. And then here we have a chat box, and then here we have a video. So let's start with the broadcast. If you are broadcasting, means that you are broadcasting recording your session. And usually when it's showing the yellow color, it shows that that is active. So, and if you click on broadcast, then it automatically show your video camera. Now if you want to switch off the video, or switch off or on your video camera, you just click there, and there you go. So, and then you can move this, wherever you want to place it, that side, here. So whichever you want. So if you decided you don't want a camera on, you just click here, and then the camera is gone. And the mic, you also have control of the mic. Like if you can click here, that means you don't, if you want a chance to speak, then you just grab a mic by clicking on it, and then you can see that it's activated as in yellow. And then we have mute. You can mute yourself so others can't hear what you're saying. But other than that, you have also the screen that you share. You can upload PowerPoints. If you click there, it takes you to files and documents that you can choose what files or PowerPoint that you want to upload. It's taking a bit of time. Right. Let's see. Waiting. Okay, there it is. It took me to the desktop. So if there is any file that I want to share or PowerPoint, I just choose from here, and then I click whichever file or whatever that I want, and then I just say I click on it and open, and there you go, to show. But I don't want this because it's just gonna take much time, so let's cancel that. And then you also have the share your screen button that is taking you to your taskbar. Also, whatever is open, you are able to share that. So you see, but I don't want to share anything, so I can go back. So yeah, that was about it with sharing your screen. And then here at the chat box here, you have video. If you click on that, it will give you options of, you want to turn on the user camera or turn off the user camera. It's all up to you. Turn on the mic for everybody. You have so much option. Whatever, it's up to you what you want to do. And so yeah, that's basically it with GoBrunch for now. So we learned about what GoBrunch is. It's an online tool that we can use to create webinars, to do teaching, and it has different features that we can use during our webinar or meetings. And yeah, so thanks so much. That's it for now, and I hope we can connect again another time.